In this video, I'll tell you how you can download and install Microsoft Office using the official Microsoft deployment tools. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, open config.office.com, which is the official Microsoft configuration page. Create a new configuration and set the architecture to 64-bit. In the Office Suites section, choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. After that, select the apps you want to install, for example Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Set the language to English, then export the configuration as an XML file using the Office Open XML Formats option. Next, download the Office Deployment tool from Microsoft. After downloading it, put the setup file and your configuration XML file into the same folder because this is important for the installation. Now run command prompt as administrator. Before starting the install, go to the folder where you placed both files. The easiest way is to copy the folder location first, then use the cd command in CMD and paste the path. After that, run the setup.exe with your configuration file, just like shown in the video, and the Office installation should begin. When the installation is finished, open the Office apps you selected and accept the license agreement. Just remember that installing Office this way uses official Microsoft tools, but you still need the proper license or activation to use it correctly. That's the main point here. Keep the setup file and XML in the same folder, run CMD as administrator, and the installation process becomes much easier to follow. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.